Intel Aero Lake Hello Enthusiast laptop CPU supported, tackle AMD Strix Hello and Apple with bigger iGPUs and L4 cache. Intel might go big with Aero Lake Hello CPUs offering a mid-end Enthusiast workstations with bigger iGPU and embedded cache. Spotted in the shipping manifesto at NBD.LTD. We have our first look at an early sample of the Intel Aero Lake Hello CPU, which has been designated as an Enthusiast mobile workstation platform. It looks like the chip has been tested on the Cedar LHX5SO1 DPC1, which is an RVP or reference evaluation platform that will be used to test the chip internally before it's sent out. The CPU was sent recently but looks to be produced sometime in 2023 third to fourth week, which means that it's almost 1 year old. Currently, Intel plan to launch at least 4 Aero Lake families, Aero Lake S for desktops and Aero Lake HXHU for laptops. However, the Intel Aero Lake Hello family rumors go back to as early as 2022 when the chips was mentioned by Adore TV, and back then it was labeled as Aero Lake P Hello. We saw an alleged Intel slide back then which listed the Hello SQ as ARL P6 core plus 8A plus GT3 Hello. The chip was mentioned to hit production in week 33 of 2023, which aligns with the production date in the shipping manifesto. These chips were designated to target Apple's 14 premium design and were going to be the introduction of the Lion P core and SkyMount E-core architectures on TSMC 3nm processor node. The chip was also going to feature a big GT3 tier iGPU with EDM cache, which could have served as the L4 for the iGPU. There were going to be the 5 tiles in total: CPU, SoC, IOE, GT3 GPU and ADM. And if you can see here, as they have mentioned, the Aero Lake 6 core 8A plus GT Hello in their scheme. The chip was planned before anyone knew about AMD Strix Hello, and it looks like the Red team got motivation to make their own Hello tier SKU after looking at the early Aero Lake Hello plan, which did look quite enticing. Intel was going to feature 14 core and pack them with bigger GT3 GPU with 320 execution units and dedicated adamantium L4 cache, which would have boosted their performance by a good margin. The iGPU was going to leverage the Alchemist XE LPG plus graphics architecture, but it would still have a solid product given the optimization Intel made to its GPU family through the latest drivers. Some of the features we could have seen on the Intel Aero Lake CPUs include 5-tile architecture CPU, GPU, SoC, IO and L4, 6-line P cores and its SkyMount E cores up to 320 XE LPG EUs, 20 XE cores, L4 adamantium cache, and based on TSMC N3 processor node. However, the plans for Intel Aero Lake Hello CPUs dropped or changed a lot. Intel's Alchemist lineup didn't pan out as expected in the start, and the actual product to introduce Lion P cores and SkyMount E cores isn't a Hello chip but a thin and light SoC known as Lunar Lake, and Intel is also listed as Hello, having priority over Aero Lake S, but that also isn't the case anymore, as Aero Lake's desktop CPUs are on the track for October launch, whereas there are no new leaks or even rumors of Hello seeing a 2024 launch, let alone a 2025 launch. This new listing might give us hope that we might see the Intel Aero Lake chips in some form or shape, maybe or limited OEM partnered SKUs, but that remains to be seen. AMD on the other hand is very well into the production of the Strix Hello CPUs, which are coming to the market by the next year.